We created our vibrant food and medicine forest on a modest lot in a tropical island setting. We embrace the permaculture practice of regenerative agriculture to continually build up, rather than deplete, our soil health to produce healthy food and medicine. We're making a real permaculture bed here. We'll have everything layered up. We've got clippings. We're going to put in cardboard. This cardboard will degrade into a beautiful dirt. We'll cover this with mulch. It's called the lasagna technique. We just layer, layer, layer. And as stuff decomposes, it releases nutrients into the soil, into the plants. It'll take a long time. It's like a slow release, natural organic fertilizing system. The goal is to recycle all of your organic material, to keep it on your land. Not, as Nora says, not to transport it away and use fossil fuels. It's a living cycle. The trees grow beautiful fruits. We eat the fruits. Banana peels go in the compost. The compost turns into dirt, and that comes back to the soil. It's a healthy circle of nutrient life. Look at, this is all dirt made from mulch. This is what the mulch turns into. But this is what a forest does. The stuff falls down from the trees and makes beautiful dirt through the process of decomposition. Good.
It's good fruit.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. First, we prepare the ground by removing large roots and rocks. We then cover the entire area with leftover cardboard to help retain moisture. On top of the cardboard, we spread coconut husks, tree branches, grass, and leaves to form a thick base of slow-release organic matter. After soaking this with our harvested rainwater, we spread about 10 inches of free mulch that we obtained from the county. We feel good about this mulch as it consists mostly of palm fronds not treated with chemicals from tree trimming efforts right along our street. Our permaculture bed is all set with several inches of mulch. Next step is to bring in some healthy living dirt and plant some trees. Here we have a beautiful young 𝗪𝗿𝗂 tree. This has very high medicinal properties. It's used in Thai herbal compresses. We have our homemade composted dirt and our mulch. So we think this is going to be a great spot for this 𝗪𝗿𝗂 tree. Okay, so we're down to the cap rock. We live on an island, a tropical island that used to be a coral reef. So it's all limestone. And in a permaculture bed, we're not going to dig down into that. It would require a jackhammer. As we basically plant up in mounds and then continually build the surrounding soil. Chickens are great excavators. You could put a pile of mulch in an area and they'll have that spread within an hour. She's looking for bugs and grubs to eat. We're now using living dirt. She gets plenty of protein right here in the permaculture bed. We're surrounding this with our homemade composted dirt. See our earlier video on making healthy dirt with homemade compost. This nice mulch will help retain the moisture, keep this plant nice and hydrated if our chicken doesn't dig it all up on us. Here we have a nice 𝗪𝗿𝗂 tree planted in a permaculture bed. Now it's time for her to fertilize. Our friend and permaculture engineer, Stephen Joseph, dropped by to give us a few pointers.
They call that agroforestry. So you usually start with one line of something, coconuts, next line of bananas, next line of papayas, next line of coffees. And then what's nice about that is when things are ripening, you're going in one line during each season. And also too, you're building that tropical guild. Like they're almost like companion planting. Those plants, bananas, coconuts, papayas, all grow really well together and support each other's growth. So then, you know, you're just building upon that even more lush food forest, and quick too. Right. Using the pigeon peas as the chop and drop nitrogen fixtures through here, and the continuous chicken manure.
We keep all our organic material right here in our food forest. No fossil fuels required to take it away, and no need to bring in chemical fertilizers. We're following nature's example on making compost. Chickens are the ultimate composters. They forage food from the forest floor and return nitrogen-rich fertilizer ready-made.
Very sweet.